Hey, so we're at the Avon Kurtz Brothers today. We got some heat headed our way, and we want to show you the proper way to water your plants. There's not a right way or a wrong way, but there is the correct way. So we're going to proceed with some simple watering tips to help you through this 3-day, 100-degree plus heat index weather on the way. Things we want to avoid. We don't want to water the foliage when we're above 90 degrees. It does the plant an injustice. You're not going to lose the plant, you're not going to kill the plant, however it's going to burn the leaves. The ideal situation is that the root system encompasses, the feeder roots encompass the outside of the plant. A lot of people will go right down in the center. Yeah, that works, but it's not good enough. What you want to do is go around the outside. Nice and slow and even. That water will absorb, the roots will reach out for the water, thus enabling the plants to take up more water, and end result is a healthy plant. Once again, the proper way to water is to work the circumference of the plant on the outside frame. That's where all the feeder roots are. This is going to benefit the plant the best. Pretty simple procedure. You take your time doing it. I'd say maybe 20 seconds per 180 degrees, and if you do that every other day in these heat situations, you are going to have a thriving plant. Now what I would like to do is show you a few things about some annuals too, since we're standing here. This is a combination of some lantana, some verbena, and some calibrachoa. Great combination of color. I hate to lose it, okay? So there's a right way and a wrong way to water these. This is the wrong way. What I try to do is I try to get up underneath the foliage, because these are my babies, and I try to get the water underneath, so I'm not getting a lot of water on the foliage. However, a fine mist like this is perfecto. See, we're not pushing the leaves down. We're allowing the water to drip down to the root system. We're thoroughly encompassing everything, including our red banana tree. I like to hover above these plants probably for a good 30 to 40 seconds. Just enough, you don't want to drown them. These guys love the heat, so they're going to be loving Thursday, Friday, and Saturday here in northern Ohio. Heat index of 105 degrees on Saturday, for what it's worth. Now they'll lay down a little bit, so you see we're losing the foliage. And this is a critical time. I wouldn't go past 11 o'clock on this if you are going to water like this. So another way to do this, and this is for people that don't have a lot of plants. You know, like me, this plant geek, I have probably over 2,000 annuals in my backyard. But this would be my preferred method for smaller areas. Watering can or bucket. And what I like to do is get around the perimeters and let the water move through the plant. That's it. 5-gallon bucket is probably sufficient for a 3x3 area. So we're going to go over one last thing about timing with your watering. The best time to water is 5 o'clock in the morning if you can get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Most of us can't. So anywhere between 5 and 9 is perfect. On the humid days, you want to get it done a little earlier. You can water twice a day if needed. The problem with that is a lot of people will try to water between 4 and 5 o'clock. Kind of a dangerous time. You can do damage to the plants just because the water sits on the leaves and the sun bakes it. But if you need water, you need water. So I normally try to do all my evening watering between 6 and 7 because of the amount of annuals that I do have. This is a small area here, so this is probably the best time right now, and I believe it's 9:30 in the morning, 9:30, 10. And that's it. So keep those plants watered because it is going to get hot.